This video is 6 months old and has generated 3.8 million views. He is currently earning $44,000 from this one video. This guy reached 768,000 views 2 months ago and earned $5,000 from this video. Today, I have something super exciting to share with you. I'm going to show you how to make money online just by watching TikTok videos. Yes, you heard it right. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or experience. All you need is your phone and a TikTok app. So let's dive right in. Before we start, I'll show you something cool. Many people ask me how I can achieve my income so quickly. My secret weapon are AI bots that automate various tasks for me. I created all the tools on profittools.com. Like and subscribe to this channel and visit profittools.com to boost your income with AI. First, head over to TikTok and search for viral trends. For example, let's say beauty tips are trending. These videos get millions of views, and that's what we're aiming for. For the best search results, I can recommend TikTok Trends. Here you can see at a glance which trends, hashtags, or creators are currently current. But you can also use websites like Google Trends. We can see here a large part of the trends consists of beauty tutorials and makeup tips. Perfect for our side hustle business. Now, this is crucial. You want to pick a video that has a ton of views. Why? Because we're going to leverage its popularity. Once you've found the perfect video, go ahead and copy its URL. Next up, we're going to a URL shortener website. I have a secret weapon for this, which I'll reveal later in the video, as we'll be using it in the next step. Now let's switch gears and move over to Pinterest. If you already have an account, that's great, but for this method, I recommend creating a brand new account. Trust me, it'll make things a lot easier. Ask ChatGPT for the best and trendiest names for your niche in social media platforms. If you have ChatG+, you can also check the availability of the names. After selecting your account name, you can ask ChatGPT what a description of this account should look like. The description should be short and trendy. The puzzle is slowly coming together. Now we come to the design. Now, let's move on to Canva. With Canva, we can create a really cool and catchy thumbnail for Pinterest. Access to Canva is free, but I recommend the Pro version as millions of assets are included in the package. Anyway, once you're in, click on the video ratio and create a new template. Use an eye-catching image of the TikTok video. You can easily upload a screenshot using the snipping tool on Windows or the screenshot program on Mac to make it more appealing. Use arrows and red circles to increase the desire for a click. Add a title that grabs attention and a description. Use ChatGPT again to write clickbait and viral titles. Don't forget to credit the original TikTok creator. And boom, your image is ready. Before we upload it to Pinterest, we have to create a link to generate passive income with TikTok videos. And here comes my secret weapon. Linkvertised is an online platform that allows users to monetize their content by shortening links. Users can create shortened links through Linkvertise and share them online. When someone clicks on the shortened link, they are shown an intermediate page with advertisements before being redirected to the original link. The user who created the shortened link earns money based on the number of clicks and the type of advertisements displayed. OMI sources suggest that you can earn up to $70 per 1,000 views, but this is not a guaranteed amount and can fluctuate. Now that you know how it works, go to Linkvertise and register for a new account. After you have successfully registered, you will see the dashboard and the link to short at the top. Here we insert the previously mentioned link, and then we have to fill out a few things. You can use the text you used previously for the title, but I recommend that you create a new title and description from ChatGPT for Linkvertise. Don't forget that it's a trendy title and description, like you won't believe how she can wear curls 24 hours a day or the best beauty tips 2023. When you're done, you can shorten the link and add it to your Pinterest pin under destination URL. But why beauty on Pinterest? Well, Pinterest is a visual platform, making it ideal for showcasing beauty tips through images and videos. Users can easily see the before and after effects, how-to guides, and product recommendations. From skincare routines to makeup tutorials and hair care tips, Pinterest offers a wide range of beauty-related content. This attracts a diverse audience interested in different aspects of beauty. And this trend is still continuing. That's why we should all jump on this passive income bandwagon and cash in big. You're all set with your first pin. But don't stop there. The more pins you create, the more potential you have to make money. So you're probably wondering, how does this actually make me money? Well, Pinterest is a search engine, just like Google. People will search for topics like car crash videos, find your pin, click on it, and voila! You get paid for each click through Linkvertise. And there you have it, folks. The secret weapon for URL shortening is Linkvertise. It's super easy to register, and you can start making money almost immediately. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I've got a lot more amazing content coming your way,